plan for AXIOM and Dayton businessman Larry Connor to leave the International Space Station. On Twitter, AXIOM said the crew will undock from the space station around 6:15 tomorrow evening. That's about 2 hours earlier than what NASA said Wednesday night. The team is expected to splash down off the coast of Florida around 12:45 Sunday afternoon. Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs is tracking Florida's weather. McCall, NASA seems sure that Sunday is finally the day to bring the AXIOM crew back to Earth.
Well, Cheryl, just before I came on air here, I was checking the conditions myself, and I agree Sunday is probably the best day in recent times for AXIOM to make a successful splashdown, whether it's in the Atlantic or in the Gulf of Mexico. I put together this graphic for you, and you'll see all of the red X's there surrounding the east coast and the west coast of Florida. Those are potential locations that the AXIOM could splash down. Current conditions around Florida, there is a small craft advisory there because of some gusty winds that's creating high waves. On the east side of Florida, we have winds that could gust as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour, and the seas themselves could be as high as 8 feet. A little bit better when you get to the west coast of Florida into the Gulf of Mexico, but still the conditions there are not favorable, not only for AXIOM to splash down, but for crews to go out there and recover the astronauts once they are safely back on Earth. When we take a look at the conditions, specifically sea height heading into the next couple of days, this graphic here shows you wave height, and when you get closer to those green colors, that's showing higher waves. The deeper blues are calmer waters. As we move into Saturday, you're going to see that the conditions of the ocean look a bit better. That's because the winds start to die down as well, but the best conditions out in the ocean, whether it's the Atlantic or in the Gulf of Mexico, by far look much nicer heading into Sunday afternoon. Of course, we're going to keep an eye on conditions around Florida and all of the AXIOM updates, not only here on Channel 7, but on WHIO.com.